Paano nga ba magbayad ng Pag-ibig MP2 via PAYMAYA? Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel. I am your Millennial Filipina. See ya! For those who are new to my channel, welcome to the Millennial world and Millennial family. Kung napadaan ka lang dito sa ating channel, by the way, I am Sia Cardino, a Kabampangan content creator, and my channel is all about finance, education, travel, tutorials, and anything about millennial life. If you want to know more about millennial life, mag-subscribe na kayo and be part of our growing millennial family. Hello Millennial Fam! For today, tuturuan ko kayong magbayad ng MP2 via PAYMAYA. First step, you need a PAYMAYA account, or kapag meron na kayo, open your PAYMAYA account. Ang bubungad sa inyo ay ang homepage and makikita nyo yung government. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo lang yung Pag-ibig membership. Then, madadirect ka sa pagibigfundservices.com. Tapos, i-click nyo na yung proceed. Click MP2 savings. Afterwards, you need to fill out the necessary information like the program type, which is MP2 savings. Tapos, sa membership category guys, dalawa yung pagpipilian, either local or overseas. So, if OFW kayo, you choose overseas. Kung nakatira lang kayo dito sa Pilipinas, local. Yung payment method ninyo ay PAYMAYA e-wallet. Ganito yung itsura niya guys kapag na-answer nyo na. Ayan, MP2 savings, local, and then PAYMAYA e-wallet. Sa baba po guys, i-input nyo yung MP2 savings account number ninyo. After inputting your MP2 savings account number, click search again and then automatic lilitaw yung pangalan mo. Then, yung amount na ihuhulog mo for this month and yung period covered. Ayan guys, so meron siyang convenience fee na 5 pesos. Don't worry, sa PAYMAYA may voucher yan ng 10 pesos, so babalik din yung convenience fee na binayad mo. You need to check, I want to receive payment confirmation via SMS para makareceive ka ng notification na nagbayad ka. Kung gusto mo ring makareceive ng receipt via email, i-check mo lang and then input your email address and your phone as well. After that, enter the code below. Pagkatapos, click mo na yung I agree with the terms and conditions. Click next. Pagkatapos, i-double check mo yung mga information mo. Mariredirect ka dito sa PAYMAYA account. Mag-login ka lang. Input your OTP. Click confirm payment. Then after that, payment confirmation successful. Afterwards guys, makaka-receive kayo ng SMS na na-confirm na yung payment ninyo. Makaka-receive ka rin ng email from them na successful yung payment mo. Ayun guys, ganun lang po kadaling magbayad ng Pag-ibig MP2 contributions via PAYMAYA. I hope this content helps you a lot guys. For more tutorials like this, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you more updated sa mga videos ko. Thanks for watching! Stay safe, sane, and strong this season. Love lads!